Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about where you can use Venmo. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to split a bill with a friend or family member? Or maybe you're looking for a way to send money to someone quickly and easily. If so, then Venmo is the perfect app for you. Venmo is a free mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money to friends and family. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services from businesses that accept Venmo payments. So, where can you use Venmo? In-person payments. You can use Venmo to pay for things in person by scanning the other person's QR code or by entering their phone number or email address. Online payments. You can use Venmo to pay for things online by entering the recipient's email address or phone number. Bill payments. You can use Venmo to pay your bills by linking your bank account or credit card to your Venmo account. Charity donations. You can use Venmo to donate to charity. Cash withdrawals. You can use Venmo to withdraw cash from ATMs. You can add up to 3 bank accounts or credit cards to your Venmo account. You can set up a personal or business account. You can use Venmo to send money to people in over 30 countries. You can use Venmo to pay for things in over 200,000 stores and restaurants. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful.